Hello and welcome back to another episode of Lone Wrench Garage. My name is Mike and this is a Toyota Corolla Cross. We're going to do a horn upgrade from this to this. Let's get the hood open and dig into it. Anybody can do it with very little experience. We're going to remove a shroud, unbolt the old horn, make some adapters with the wire, and bolt on new horns. Fairly simple job. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do, we've located the horns. They're underneath this shroud, and there's a couple plastic push pins that hold it in. So let's start off by getting them out. They actually make a removal tool. A removal tool like this, which is sort of alright, but I found out the pick works much better. Just get it in underneath it, give them a little tug, they pull right up. There's two plugs for this air intake. They'll need to come out. Set this off to the side. Be careful not to lose your pins. Now this here other shroud, it also has two pins that hold it in. And it's just kind of pressure fitted in against the front grille. Just pop these loose, one on each side. And you could probably get this out, but you're going to have to take other things off. Myself, I am just going to push it, the front of it down. Just needs to move out of the way just a little bit. There's no need to take it off. And there we have the horn. Okay, first let's take off the old horn. I believe it is a 12 millimeter. Just one bolt that holds it on. One bolt, one wire. Fairly straightforward. Really not much to it. So a little push thing to release the wire. That's it. That's the horn. I've seen bigger horns on motorcycles. No wonder it's not loud. And this is what we're upgrading to. A hella horn. We'll find out if they are a hella horn. Okay, now that we got a pigtail made up, this will be the ground wire, and we'll put that back where the bolt come out of the horn. Have a dedicated ground that goes to each individual horn that we're going to put on, and a hot wire to each horn. And this here pigtail will plug in to the factory pigtail. This car's designed to only have one horn, which is right here. But there's another indentation just like it. It's just a through bolt. It doesn't have a nut on the back side, but we're going to take care of that by running our own hardware in. We're going to put it in backwards where the bolt's facing out. So we will have like a stud to slide the horn on. It'll be much easier than fighting the horn and the bolt at the same time. I am going to put a little bit of Loctite on it because once I put this stud in, I don't want it to come loose. Don't take much, just a little dab. And we're going to go ahead and tighten that up. All right, now we have a good solid surface to bolt the other horn to. Put a lock washer and a nut on it. Set it where we want it. I think we're going to put it right there. There's our original bolt to the original hole. Okay. Sure we have no wires touching. Anything that's not supposed to be touching. Okay, got that. Wires look good. We got our other horn mounted. Take and plug these into the back of the terminals on the new horn. There you have it. Let's see what it sounds like. It's got to be an improvement. As you can see, that is what it looks like inside. Get our push pins in. Of course, it's always the last place you look. And that is secure. This back on. We will be done. All right, finally. There we have it. Totally new dual horn system. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what else you'd like to see.